Paying an affiliate their sales or referral commissions can be done a couple different ways. First, I could come into Commissions, Payment Commission Settings, which is where I can add a PayPal email account for the commissions to be sent to. So if you have a client and they're earning commissions from sales, we can automatically pay it at the first of every month from our PayPal account to theirs, and all we have to do is have their PayPal email here. PayPal accounts are free, so it's very easy to send them their commissions automatically. If you want to do it manually, come into Administration, Store Commission Settings, and over here we can record an external payment. When you do that, you will then see a list of all of the commissions that are owed, and you can select those orders, and you will see the total amount selected, and then you can choose the method that you paid the commissions out. So again, this is a manual payment method. It works great for any time you're not using PayPal for automatic payouts. Once you've made those payments, if you come into Reports, you can then run a report for commission payments. If you have any questions on how to pay affiliates their commissions, come up to the top where you can search our many great help articles, or click on the question mark where you can raise a support ticket with Client Services, who is there to help you whenever you have questions or you're running into problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.